Well, hello. I think it's Tuesday afternoon. Just got another stack of things from Amazon here, just turned up. I've been doing a lot of baking. So I got one of these, the real one's called Silpat. They're incredibly expensive. This is Amazon's own brand, Iono version. It's supposed to be like super non-stick parchment paper kind of thing. So what have I made? So this is allegedly the Queen's favourite lemon drizzle cake. I'll link to that video. It's uploaded by her former chef, I think it's Darren Grady, but check the description. And I haven't put the second white icing sugar glaze on top, but it's very well permeated with the lemon syrup, which is, where are we? That's lemon syrup, which is left over from making Mary Berry's recipe for traditional candied peel, which you need for fruit cakes and Christmas cakes and stuff. That's lemon, lime and orange. I guess I'll link to that too. So yeah, I'm about to package all the peel up. That should keep for a while. Yeah, the cake's amazing. What else have I got? Oh, I got some cheeses, and I made some experimental gluten-free. They're not crackers, they're biscuits, I guess, because they're a little bit soft. So there's two versions I made last night, about 1 in the morning or something, I don't know. Flavoured with different things. And then I've got some very nice cheese. This is a goat's cheese called Dorstone. This is Pevensey Blue, which is made by a couple called Martin and Hazel. That's some quince paste, which in Spain is called membrillo, I believe. Oh, we've got a custom sign now, so whoever goes to bed last, if they know the cat's just got out, we flip that so that whoever gets up in the morning remembers to let the cat in. Oh, it's one of my favourite mugs. Having some Red Bush. Oh, I've already done like, I don't know, an hour of scattering wildflower seeds. This is about 30 varieties, including woodland ones that tolerate shade, which I've been doing like down at the far back of the garden. Some of you will have seen we've got a little mini woods with not very much in it. Oh, there's Pivo guarding the premises. Oh, we've got tulips and lilacs out off there in the distance. I don't know if you can, hang on. Oh yeah, this thing zooms. Don't know if you can see a bit of colour there. But yep. This is the big sack. It's about 3 kilograms of specialist English traditional wildflower. No filler, no bulks, no grasses, just wildflowers and herbs. And I get those from a company called Pretty Wild Seeds. So if you're in the UK, you can get those through Amazon or direct from them. That's my next gardening project. What have we got in there? Oh yeah, we've got, gonna do corn, peas, squash and sunflowers in the front garden in a line to make a natural edible fence. Yeah. Oh, okay, so that's where I'm up to, just having a spot to eat. And then I'll be taking all these extras round to various friends in the village, see what they think of them. Okay, well, I hope you have a lovely day. I've got to open these boxes and remember what cool new stuff I've got. So, alright, cheers.